Welcome to the number one chest exercise, bench press. I will show this video from different angles so that you get a very good idea about how to do bench press in a perfect way. So first of all, grab the bar slightly wider than the shoulder width grip. Place your back and your glutes firmly placed on the bench and your feet on the ground. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Place your shoulder down and your chest up and touch the bar in the middle chest area, and then you're good to go to perform the repetitions. It's a great exercise for building a good chest as it hits the complete chest, upper chest, middle chest as well as lower chest. And secondary muscles involve triceps. And if you perform the bench press with a narrow grip, then triceps will be the primary muscles. One of the golden three exercises along with the squats and deadlift, and a great strength building exercise as well.